Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this Nightlight magnetic 4-in-1 wireless charger. And look at this. This is what it comes with inside of it. And look on the bottom here, this is gonna be our watch one. So that's gonna go in there. It says watch module there. So there's our watch, there's our phone, and there's our headphones there. Here's our cable to connect it up. So that'll go in there. I'm gonna put this on top of here so you guys can see it. I'm just gonna plug it into a port on my laptop. Hopefully things will be okay. And then I can't do my phone because that's what I'm filming with, but I'll show you guys my watch. I'll put that over here. And it is charging. You see right there, it's charging. I have some headphones right here. I'll put those right there. And those are now charging too. You can see the little light is on that. So then I could be doing everything all at once. How cool is that? Super awesome. So if you need a charging station that's nice and compact and everything, this is a good one to get. And it has a night lamp too. Oh, and there's the night lamp. You can see it's lit up. Ooh, I'll take these things off here. It's lit up under there. So that is cool. I like it. Really cool. So, oh, and it's changing. It does change colors and stuff. So there we go. Super cool. Thumbs up.